And on today's episode, I'm going to show you how you can earn money writing articles, and you can earn $3.45 up to $13.40 just for 300 to 500 words. All that's coming right up in this video. And also, if you want to learn how to create a real income, passive income from the comfort of your own home, then click that link in the description below to get my #1 recommendation. And if you're new to the channel, I welcome you to go and hit subscribe and hit that little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos, because I upload every single day multiple different ways for you to make some money. Now, cue the intro. What's up, stackers? Paddy here with StackinProfit, and today I'm going to show you a website called HireWriters.com. Now, this is a brilliant website if you know how to write and you want to sell your services as a writer. So once you're on HireWriters.com, you want to come over to here, Get Paid to Write. Now, I've already opened this up in a new tab, and as always, I will leave links to these down in the description below, so it's a little bit easier for you to go and check out. So, if English is your first language, join HireWriters.com today for free, and you will have access to hundreds of paid writing jobs. Clients post writing assignments, and you can then accept the job and get paid when you complete it. So if you come here and you want to sign up because you have some good writing skills, simply fill out the form and follow the steps. It's pretty simple. So your membership is 100% free. You get paid up to $20 per article you write once you become an established writer on HireWriters. So you can earn up to $20, but you do have to become an established writer. So you can work and earn as much as you want. So you can literally make your own hours, work a few hours a week doing this if you want for some extra cash, write about topics you want, get bonus payments from clients when you do a good job. So if the client actually likes you, you can earn extra money, so that's pretty good. Then they'll always come back. If you do a good job, you'll always have the same client coming back to work with you because they like your work. So complete other types of jobs such as proofreading, research, ideas, and article writing, and get paid every week on Friday. So if we go over to the facts page, you can see how do I get paid. So we pay our writers automatically every Friday as long as you have more than $10 in your account. We use PayPal to send out the payments, which means you need a valid PayPal address to get paid. So as always, like most of the things that I show you guys, you do need a PayPal account to do this. And as you see here, you get paid in US dollars. Now, I pulled up this other page, which I wanted to show you because it's quite interesting. It's the ranking system. So, hire writers use a ranking system so that people who perform better have more job opportunities and earn more money. Everyone starts at the beginning level and can move up the rankings according to the following requirements. So, when you're a beginner, you're not going to have any ratings at all. So, the general is you have to have 3 completed jobs, 4 stars received, and you had to deliver your work 70% on time. And then for the skilled, you have to have 7 completed jobs, a 4.1 star review, and 77% on time. And then the expert level is 14 completed jobs, 4.6 stars with an 88% on time. So the more you work on here and the more jobs you complete and the better star rating you get, it's going to just work out a lot better for you, and you're going to have a lot more opportunities to make money. So your earnings depend on the size of the articles as well as your rank. So as a beginner, you can earn approximately $2.25 for a short 300 to 500 word article. Now, if you were an expert, you could make $10 to 66 cents which is much better, but still you have to be a fast writer to keep your wage at a higher level. So let me just scroll down a little bit. So this is what you would get paid. As a beginner, you're going to get $1.85 for 150 to 300 words. And then as a beginner, to earn over $10, you're going to have to write 2,000 to 300 words. Now, if you are a general, skilled, or an expert, you can see your earnings just go up drastically. You earn a hell of a lot more. So if you are a skilled writer, then this could be for you, and you could use this to make some extra cash. Now, if you want to learn how to make cash passively, then click that link in the description below to get my #1 recommendation, and I'll send that straight to your inbox. Now, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Also, go and hit subscribe and turn on post notifications so you don't miss a thing. That being said, I've been Paddy, this has been Stacking Profit, and I'll see you again soon.